Today, we are going to draw a happy grape. Are you ready? Step 1. Let's draw a small, round circle right in the middle. Now, let's draw two circles hiding behind the first one. One on the right and one on the left. Next, let's draw two more circles hiding underneath. Finally, draw one last circle at the very bottom. Draw two tiny dots for eyes and a happy smile. Last step, draw two leaves and a little stem sticking out. All done! Now we are ready to color. Please subscribe for more fun drawings.